I just got this new microwave in today. Of course, you got the plate and the thing that goes on, or that the plate goes on top, and of course you get the microwave as well as the owner's manual. I'm going to actually read into this because this is supposed to be a smart microwave where it can sense what's getting cooked and stop accordingly. It also has an inverter function, which I believe helps with defrost and all that. It's a pretty large microwave at a 1.6 cubic inches or something like that. And there goes some of the information: sensor touch, popcorn, origin inverter cook time, origin inverter power, origin inverter defrost. We got sensor reheat, frozen pizza, fresh vegetables, potatoes, and meat. And I think that's exactly what we have here. But let's go ahead and go in the kitchen and see what this could do, because I got the perfect little thing that I need to heat up, and that is tomato bisque. And the microwave either gets it too hot or it's not hot enough. So let's see if this is really smart. All right, so I have it set up in my kitchen now. It looks nice. I really like how it looks. It's very clean. That tray here is very large, and it's got a nice light as well, so you can see pretty good what's going on in there. And like I promised, I have the tomato bisque. That's all that is a fancy way of saying tomato soup. Let me go ahead and put it in there. And I did do some reading on the manual, or the owner's manual, and just to see what the smart sensor is all about. And all that basically is it's reading the steam in there. So all you have to do, like I'm trying to reheat this, is put that, touch the sensor, start, and it's gonna sense the steam. So we'll see how good it does on actually heating this up and just on the sensor mode. Reheat, that's all I did. And you have other options. Obviously you could put a whole pizza in here, potatoes, meat, popcorn, frozen vegetables, like I mentioned before. All right, so it's been 4 minutes and it's just getting down. It beeped twice, so it started counting down after the two beeps, and we're at 42 seconds, and the paper towel is on top, or is inside the soup now, unfortunately. But the inverter is to be able to generate even heat or even power to the microwave at all times, so it's not cutting in and out. And I guess that's what the other regular microwaves do, but this is just even power. And I think this soup is gonna be piping hot. I'm not sure. I was reading in the comments that it would be perfectly warm, and I'm pretty sure the soup is piping hot. Yeah, it's in there. It's bubbling in there, boy. It's hot, boy. So I would say it does warm it up really good. I like the feature of reheat, or the smart sensor cook, and the inverter seems to be very useful. But I definitely like the microwave, and I would definitely recommend it. It gives a big thumbs up from X's house.